pindutin pa lang ang recording. Ayan. So that is going to be our special topic today. Let me call on myself. Tin, okay. Hello, hello. Hi, Coach Maui. Nakita kita. All right. Sige. Now, let me just pull up my slide. Okay. Guys, ang ganda ng topic ko ngayon. As in. I also learned so much while doing this. Diba? Kawawa naman kasi si carbohydrates, diba? Okay, a very interesting topic. Yung mga gustong humabol, pasok pa kayo dyan, diba? Ang tanong, are all carbohydrates bad? Diba? So we're going to discuss about this refined versus unrefined carbohydrates, no? Ang carbohydrates po, kung mapapansin ninyo, nagkaroon po siya ng bad rap in recent years. So pag sabang bad rap, bad reputation. Diba? Bakit po? Mainly because yung mga tao kasi ina-associate natin yung carbohydrates sa food like white bread, pasta, rice, diba? In addition to sweetened yogurts, pati mga juices. Okay, but according to our nutritionist, diba? Susan Bowerman, in reality, not all carbohydrates are bad. Okay? So when a carb is refined, many important beneficial nutrients, diba, can be stripped away po. No? So, sige po. Pag-uusapan natin, nagbigay siya ng example, diba? So, ito, pareho pong carbohydrates yan. No? Itong whole grain wheat, yan po yung unrefined. And of course, the white flour is the refined. No? So, yan yung binigay niya example. Siyempre, kapag ka po yung whole grain wheat na refined na po siya into white flour, yung starch na sa middle no, nag-remain, yung process niya, ini-strip away yung bran tsaka yung germ. Ano nga nang nangyayari doon? Diba? So, nababawasan po, no, na-strip away yung mga nutrients na nandoon. Okay po? So, ang bran po is a good source of fiber and vitamins, while yung germ naman po contains vitamins, minerals, and traces of good fats. Okay, that is why it's very important na maintindihan natin yung difference between refined and unrefined carbohydrates. Ayan. So, pag-usapan natin siya. Pag sinabi pong choose unrefined, sabi niya dito, no? Pag good carbohydrates, ano po yun? Choose unrefined. Okay, ayan po siya. No? So, isipin lang po natin, whole and unprocessed. Kaya makikita ninyo, siguro may mga nakakausap kayo, ano kamusta ka? What do you usually eat? Oh, I usually eat whole foods na. O, diba? Hindi na mga unprocessed. So, alam na natin pagka unprocessed, mamaya may makikita kayong mga pictures dyan. Okay? Kasi we have to understand na yung carbohydrates po, tumutulong po siya sa ating katawan. Okay? Para po mag-function properly. It actually serves as the primary fuel for our brains and red blood cells. Okay? So, yun. So, kaya sinasabi rin yung healthiest na carbohydrates, makuha po talaga siya. Nung sinasabing unrefined and natural state, wala pong tinanggal, no? Yun po. Think whole and unprocessed. Okay? Sige, now, let us talk about this one kasi napakaganda nito. Okay, masyadong colorful ang aking presentation ngayon. Ayan. Wait lang. Ayan. So, we are talking about this one, the healthy carbohydrates. Pag sinabi nating healthy carbohydrates, just take a mental note of this. Actually, yan, ano, nandiyan na sa picture. Diba? Pero bottom line is that these kind of carbohydrates, they are all excellent sources of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients, no? Kung meron po kayong mga kakilala, no, na nagpa-follow sila na, low carb lang ang diet ko ngayon. Naka-keto diet ako ngayon. No? So, meron po siyang risk yung mga tao na to of not getting enough of these nutrients. Okay? So, yan po siya. Ngayon, sabi ni Susan Bowerman, paano nga ba, no? How to get more of the good carbohydrates. Okay? So, meron po siyang tatlong na ibigay dito. You may take a picture of this, sabi niya dito, no? To incorporate unrefined carbohydrates into your diet, look for foods in their natural state, diba? So, example, fruit. Ayan po siya, no? Sabi niya din po dyan, if you're preparing any fruits, vegetables, or even potatoes for a meal, Pwede din daw pong i-preserve yung skin, di ba? Whenever possible. Okay? As you introduce whole grain flours, pasta, and brown rice to your diet, you may need to adjust to slightly different tastes and textures. No? So, sino po dito yung nakapag-try na ng mga, wheat pasta, di ba? Iba yung texture niya kaysa dun sa normal na pasta na madalas nating nakakain, di ba? Sabi niya din dyan, it's well worth it. Diba? In addition to providing more nutrients, these foods are generally more filling, no, more filling than their refined counterparts because of the extra fiber. Okay, ngayon, etong pinakamasaya. Coach, paano nga ba tayo magka-cutback ng mga processed carbohydrates na yan? Okay, pwede ba kayo mag-type ng 1 dyan? Diba? Kung ito ay inyong mga paborito, hanggang ngayon, type 1 nga kayo. Type 2. Kung naging paborito nyo yan noong unang panahon, ako 2. Diba? So yon. So sabi dito, to maintain a healthy diet, diba, we aim to reduce our intake of refined and processed carbohydrates. Okay. Let us talk about bread. Okay. Sino po mga bread lover na kasama natin? Type po kayo na 3. Sige nga, diba? Coach, paano ba yung mahilig ako sa tinapay? Okay, meron pong tip si Susan Bowerman sa atin. Diba? Meron po siyang sinabi dito, no? When looking for healthy bread options, no? Try to avoid white bread and pay close attention to the wheat bread options in front of you. Diba? Kasi madami nga daw pong manufacturers, nakalagay dun sa label ng bread nila, multi-grain. Diba? But sabi po niya, we need to look at the ingredient list, okay, to determine if the grains are indeed whole grain and not refined. Okay? Sabi niya dyan, pagka daw whole wheat bread, look for 100% whole wheat on the front and 100% whole wheat flour in ingredients. Now, the word whole is key. If it just says wheat flour, for example, it is likely refined. Okay? So, yan po siya. Ngayon, sino po ang mahilig dito sa pasta at sa kanin? Ayan. No, so sabi din niya ni Susan Bowerman sa atin, like bread when we're shopping, di ba, for flour, pasta, or rice, it's best to search for whole grain products like whole wheat flour, whole grain pasta, and brown rice. So guys, kung makikita po ninyo dito sa ating ngayon, presentation, nasa baba, very obvious. Those are all, sige nga, type nga kayo dyan. Anong sagot? Refined carbohydrates. No? Malaman mo kagad dyan na refined siya. Refined na refined. Ang puti-puti ng bigas. Diba? Dun sa taas, okay, those are unrefined carbohydrates. No? So, yan po siya. And, sino naman ang mahilig sa mga fruit juices dyan? No? So, ang tip po sa atin, diba, ni Susan Bowerman, dahil nga po yung mga fruit juices, yung mga fruit sauces, yung mga skins yan tinitake off, no, removing a lot of the natural fiber and phytonutrients. Pag sinabi phytonutrients, these are the nutrients na nakukuha natin, diba, sa mga plants, no? So yan po siya. So always go for the whole fruit versus juice or unsweetened applesauce if you want to maximize the health benefit. No? And sabi nga din dyan, in addition, fruit juice is much less filling than whole fruits, di ba? But packs a lot more calories per serving. So just imagine, kunyari, isang pirasong mansanas na yan, gagawin mo pa siya na na juice, di ba? Ano yung mas nakakabusog? Di ba? So mas nakakabusog po yung totoo. Putong butas. Oh, ayan po siya. Alright. Now, meron pa po siyang mga inad, no? Si Susan Bowerman sa atin. Para hindi naman po natin, tawag dito, ayawan, yung carbohydrates, di ba? Ay, no carbs ako ngayon. So, mali yun. Hindi pwedeng no carbohydrates tayo. Okay? So, siya dito, nagbigay siya ng trick. No? May mga trick po, mga few tricks po ito, no? How we can get the most from our carbohydrates. Ready na po kayo? Ayan. So, trick number 1. Ito na siya. So, syempre, no, we try to introduce yung mga new whole grains into everyday meals. So, instead na white rice ka po, kahit Japanese rice yan, baby. Kahit ang tawag niya, jasmine. No? Jasmine rice, kumakanta. Diba? Girl, refined na siya. No? So, you switch it up with brown rice, quinoa, or millet. Diba? So, yan po, picturean niyo po yan. Trick number 2. Okay, instead na puting tinapay, okay, instead na puting tinapay po, 'di ba? O yung mga crackers, mga biscuit kayo, o yung kaya yung mga cereals, yung mga snack foods, no? Try 100% whole grain versions instead. Okay? Please take note of that. And of course, trick number 3, to wind yourself from juices. Diba? Kasi naghahanap ka talaga ng matamis, no? Nauuhaw ka. No? So, meron din siyang tip dyan. Try having sparkling water, no? With a few chunks of whole fruit or vegetable added. You will learn to enjoy the flavors of fresh whole foods in a refreshing low-calorie beverage. Okay, but syempre, share ko ito sa inyo, ha? Itong trick number 3 na to. Take note of this. Yung herbal aloe concentrate natin, yung diniscuss kanina, we can actually do that. No? This is perfect, not just dun sa optimum nutrient absorption natin, but it's really perfect for hydration. No calorie, no artificial color, no? Tapos, refresh talaga yung katawan natin. Okay? And of course, itong next slide ko, we are going to watch a video because at the end of the day, it's not just all about carbohydrates. Let me share with you the video of Dr. Luigi and let's learn from him kung ano pa ba talaga ang kailangan natin.
We don't always examine what we eat every day. We may not realize our food choices could be hurting our health. I'm Dr. Luigi Grodin, here to share the power of good nutrition and show you how simple choices can make you healthier. It all starts with having balanced nutrition. Essentially, that means 40% carbohydrates, 30% protein, and 30% healthy fats. Don't forget to add in fiber and stay hydrated. Carbohydrates are your body's preferred source of fuel, and many of them are packed with nutrients. Vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and dairy products are the best sources of carbs. Protein supports your immune system and helps build and maintain lean muscles. You can get protein from meats, fish, poultry, eggs, soybeans, quinoa, and peas. Fats are essential too. Avoid the unhealthy saturated kind and go for that fat that'll protect your heart. You can find healthy fats in salmon, avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Remember, good nutrition is a choice. Choose Herbalife Nutrition.
Ulitin ko, ha, good nutrition is a choice. So choose Herbalife Nutrition. So we are really talking about balanced nutrition. No? So with that being said, my topic is done. I hope meron po kayo mga natutunan from me. Pwede ba kayo mag-type dyan ng yes, yes, yes. Ayan, kung meron po tayo na napulot